Hey, Mr. Nose!
What? What is it?
I was just wondering. My mother lives around here. Can we go visit her, please?
I suppose.
Thank you, Mr. Nose. Mom!
Hello, Orange Octopus son. How are you going?
I'm going good, Mother. Look, it's Mr. Nose.
Hi, Mr. Nose. Hi, how are you? Well, actually, I'm not too good.
What? What's wrong, Mother?
I'm a little bit ill, and I need someone to take care of me.
Oh, I can do it, Mom. But I'm on a journey with Mr. Nose.
It's alright. I can go on without you and face to face.
Really, Mr. Nose? You would do that?
Yes, I would.
Thank you, Mr. Nose.
I got a long journey ahead of me. Wait, I brought my iPod. Excellent. There we go. I got my iPod on. Let's see, what song to choose? Take on Me. Now I just need to click the play button. Where's the play? Oh, there's the play button. I love this song. It's good. Oh no!